Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of Social Studies. Today we are continuing with the same chapter, lesson 3, calendars and timelines. So today we are going to study the similarities and differences between the Gregorian calendar and Saga calendar. The similarities and differences between the Gregorian calendar and Saga calendar. Before that, just we go through the previous session what we learned. We study about the calendar. There are two types of calendar, Saga calendar and Gregorian calendar. What's a calendar? A calendar is a chart which divide the time into days, weeks, months and years. On a calendar, we can identify and mark the various important days. There are two types of calendar. The first one is Gregorian calendar. First one is Gregorian calendar. Gregorian calendar. Who introduced this calendar? Gregorian calendar is introduced Pope Gregory 13. Pope Gregory 13 in 1582. 1582. It is a solar calendar followed in most of the countries. In Gregorian calendar, a regular year has 365 days. 365 days. When it is leap year, it will be 366 days. The Gregorian calendar has 12 months on different lengths. Okay, first calendar, Gregorian calendar introduced by Pope Gregory 13 in 1582. This calendar has 365 days, while it is leap year will be 366 days. It is Gregorian calendar is a solar calendar follow the most of the countries, and the Gregorian calendar has 12 months of different lengths. 12 months in different lengths. 12 months. Some of the months have 30 days. Okay, 30 days. And some months have 31 days, and when it is leap year, the February has 29 days, otherwise 28 days. Next, second one, the Saga calendar. Saga calendar. Saga calendar is a Indian national calendar. Indian national calendar. National calendar. Indian national calendar. The Saga calendar has 12 Hindi months. It was introduced in 1957. It is introduced in 1957. The Saga calendar is 78 years behind the Gregorian calendar. So to find out which Saga year we have to subtract 78 from the Gregorian year. The dates of the Saga calendar have a permanent correspondence with the dates of the Gregorian calendar. Saga calendar is Indian national calendar. It is introduced in 1957. Gregorian calendar is followed all over the country, but the Saga calendar is Indian national calendar. Now we are going to the next topic, similarities and differences between Gregorian and Saga calendar. Similarities and differences between the Gregorian. Now let us about some similarities and differences between Gregorian and Sakha calendar. Similarities. We have to study similarities and differences between Gregorian and Sakha calendar. First we are going to study the similarities. Similarities. Both calendar have 365 days in a year and 366 days in a leap year. Both calendar means the Sakha calendar and Gregorian calendar both have how many days? 365 days in 1 year. While it is leap year, how many days? 366 days. That is the first one. Both calendar have how many days? 365 days. While it is leap year, how many days? 366 days. Both have 12 months in a year. Both calendar, the Gregorian calendar and Sakha calendar, both calendar have 12 months. 12 months in a year. And next one, the months in both calendar have 30 or 31 days. Both calendar have 30 or 31 days in each month. Some months have 30 days, some months have 31 days. The previous class we already discussed which month have 30 days and which month have 31 days. Means the both calendar have 30 or 31 days. Okay, these are the similarities of this both calendar. What are the similarities? Both calendar have 365 days in 1 year, while it is leap year 366 days. And both calendar have 12 months in a year, and both calendar have 30 or 31 days in each month. These are the similarities. Now we are going to study the differences between these both calendar. Differences. Differences between the both calendar. First we will study Gregorian calendar. Gregorian calendar. Then Sakha calendar. Just see what are the differences between this both calendar. The Gregorian calendar, which is the first month of the Gregorian calendar? January is the first month. First month is January. And the last month, we know which is the last month? December. When the Sakha calendar, Chait is the first month. Chait is the first month. And Falgun is the last month. Falgun is the last month. First difference, the Gregorian calendar, first month is January and the last month is December. The Sakha calendar, first month is Chait and the last month is Falgun. And next, it is start from 1st January, which is the new year. 1st January. It start from 1st January. Gregorian calendar start from 1st January. But the Sakha calendar start from 21 on 22 March. Means if it is a leap year, it will start from 21 March. The normal year it will be start from 22nd March. The Gregorian calendar start from 1st January. The Sakha calendar start from 21st or 22 March. 21 means when it is leap year, it will start from 21. The normal year, it will start from 22 March. And the Gregorian calendar, it's all over the world. Which calendar is followed? The Gregorian calendar. all over the world. All over the world, which calendar is followed? The Gregorian calendar. The Sakha calendar is India's national calendar. It is followed only in our country. It is our national calendar. National calendar. Okay, there is a difference between Gregorian calendar and Sakha calendar. First, Gregorian calendar, the first month starts from January and the last month is December. The Sakha calendar, Chaitra is the first month and Falgun is the last month. It is start from 1st January. Sakha calendar starts from 21 or 22 March. A Gregorian calendar is followed all over the world, but the Sakha calendar is national calendar. You can see the book. Here it is given the structure. 12 months are given. Here it is given the name of the Sakha calendar. There are 12 months. Both calendar, what are the similarities? The both calendar have how many months? 12 months. The Sakha calendar also 12 months. The Gregorian calendar also have 12 months. And how many days here? January 31 days. March 31. May 31, July 31, August 31, October 31, like that different lengths. Means both calendar have 31 or 30 days in each month. Here also. Then next differences between the Gregorian calendar and Sakha calendar. Here which is the first month? January. January is the first month, and which is the last month? It is given December. And the first month is in Sakha calendar, Chaitra is the first month and the last month is Falgun. And it start from 1st January and it start from 21 or 22 March. This is followed all over the world. This Gregorian calendar is followed all over the world. Then Sakha calendar is India's national calendar. If it is 2000, here it's small question it is given. If it is 2022 in the Gregorian calendar, what year will it be as per the Sakha calendar? How to find out? We have to subtract 78 from Gregorian year. If suppose 2022 subtract 78, then which number is coming? That is the Sakha year. Okay, here it is given 2022. How to find out? How to do? Deduct 78 from the Gregorian calendar. Then some small 4 questions are given. We use a calendar to plan our days better. Is it true or false? The calendar helps us to plan all our activities, important days and all. So answer is true. We use a calendar to plan our days better. Then the Gregorian calendar, Sakha calendar is used all over the world. Which calendar is used all over the world? The Gregorian calendar, because Sakha calendar is a national calendar. It is used only in our country. Gregorian calendar, most of the countries are followed the Gregorian calendar. Then the Sakha calendar is dash years behind the Gregorian calendar. How many years? 78 years behind the Gregorian calendar. Then India became independent in 1947. Is this year as per the Gregorian calendar or the Sakha calendar? India became independent in 1947. Is this year as per the Gregorian calendar or the Sakha calendar? So you have to find out this all answer and write here with pencil. So okay students, today we have completed the similarities and differences between Gregorian and Sakha calendar. Both calendar now you know. What are the uses of calendar you know. Which are the two types of calendar? Gregorian calendar and Sakha calendar. Okay, that is the similarities means both calendar have 365 days while it is leap year 366 days. And how many months? 12 months both calendar and different lengths 30 or 31 days in different months. That is the similarities. And the differences, Gregorian calendar first month start from January, last month December. Sakha calendar, first month Chaitra, and the last month Falgun. And the 1st January, the Gregorian calendar is start from 1st January. The Sakha calendar start from 21 or 22 March according to the leap year. Then the Gregorian calendar is followed all over the world, but the Sakha calendar is national calendar of India. Okay, that only we discuss and learn today. You have to read this topic. And here you have one question also that we are going to write. In number 2, question 1 already I have given. This question number 2. Write 2 similarities between. Write 2 similarities between Gregorian and Sakha calendar. What is the question? Write 2 similarities between Gregorian and Sakha calendar. Any 2 we can write. Answer. Similarities between Gregorian and Sakha calendar. Are as following. Similarities between Gregorian and Sakha calendars are as follows. First one, both calendar have how many days? 365 days. Both calendars have 365 days in a year, and 366 days in a leap year. Leap year. First one, both calendars have 365 days in a year and 366 days in a leap year. And second one, both have 12 months in a year. Okay. Write 2 similarities between Gregorian and Sakha calendar. Similarities between Gregorian and Sakha calendars are as follows. Both calendars have 365 days in a year and 366 days in a leap year. And second point, both have 12 months in a year. This answer you have to write in your copy. And you have to use the interleaf copy only which you used in the previous task. The same copy you have to write. And tomorrow we will discuss about the new topic, timeline. Thank you.